The 3D printers we have are the Robo E3s. Currently we have been using them for printing flower pots for the greenhouse, different types of toys and gadgets for the students to play around with, as well as fidgets for some of the special needs students.
Our students, both in my classroom and in the general education classes, tend to get fidgety, and to try to help with the behaviors that they might have, we always are on the lookout for the newest types of fidgets to keep them busy.
My initial reaction was intimidation, and it really was just through trial and error, which is one of the reasons that I love the technology that I have behind me, because it's very intuitive and it was so easy to pick up and be able to just run with.
Basically, it was my first time ever really working with a 3D printer, so it was more of just playing with it, and then actually I had kids that were a little bit more familiar with doing some of the 3D designs, so they helped me. And then we kind of incorporated it, and basically it's on 24 hours a day.
These machines have actually made it a lot easier for me to instruct the students on the 3D printers due to the easy use.
I have printed garden stakes for gardening club, animals to use in my agriculture class for their farm models, DNA models for the science teacher, nets for the math teacher.
A lot of our students have never seen anything like this. It's giving them more of an idea of what is out there as far as jobs and as far as technology. The interest has grown a lot this year.
If I would recommend it to anyone that wants a 3D printer, whether it be at home, small business, schools, any place, these machines are so easy to run, so easy to program, and they are so well built, you should not have any issues with it.
We really took off with it and just kind of had a good time. It runs pretty much nonstop.